Are you looking for a quick and easy way to upgrade that old shower head? If you are, I got the solution for you. Hey guys, it's Karma Odoro, and our friends from Odoro sent over this magnetic handheld shower head. Now, just look how much bigger that is. That's going to give us so much more water. I'm really excited to get this in. So real quick, the only tools you're going to need are a pair of pliers. That's it. Odoro provides you with all the grommets. In addition to the grommets and washers you're going to need, it also provides the Teflon tape just to make life easier. So let's pause the video here. Let's get this old one out and let's install the new one and let's see how it works. There you go. Installation is done. This is what it was. This is what it is. So installation is very straightforward. Like I said, you only need a pair of pliers. And quite honestly, you just need that at the very end just to really snug things on. You don't want to over tighten anything because the last thing you want to do is crack this pipe or crack the handle on the threads here. So take your time, hand tighten everything. This one, I just did hand tight and that's pretty good. You just want to make sure you use the Teflon tape. Everywhere else, use Teflon tape. Where it's metal on metal, you want to just give that a little extra tighten. Another thing I wanted to point out is Odoro throws in this suction cup attachment. So what's great is if you, let's say, have small children and you're helping them shower, you don't want to constantly have to reach back up here if you're kneeling on the ground. You can attach this with the two-way, stick it on, and then you can have your support here. So that way, if you shut the water off or you want to have a smaller shower so your small child can stand up and rinse off, you can do that. The other cool feature is that it has this like blaster setting. So when you toggle through, it'll turn the water on out here, which kind of gives you like a wave, which really is nice because when you're done, you can kind of rinse all the soap and everything down. Or I'm thinking just even cleaning a shower can use this. Enough of that. Let me get out of the shower here and let's turn the water on so we can see what the different shower heads look like. All right, here we go. So I'm going to take this down, get the water going. Okay, so that is that's pretty intense. That's pretty powerful. So it's just a regular rain shower here. This is more of like your direct, wow, that's got a lot of power. This looks like a combination one here. This is like your gentle sprayer, kind of is in the center here. I'm not sure, oh. That turns it off. That's kind of cool. Oh boy. All right, here we go. I'm not sure which one of the, oh, there it is. All right, so now you can see the water is coming out of the top here. It's just drizzling here, but this is where the power is. Oh my gosh. That is serious. All right, I gotta turn this off. Holy cow. All right, that provided a ton of power. That was awesome. That's gonna be great, especially when rinsing out the tub and just trying to clean things up. So if you're looking for an easy installation, quick upgrade to upgrade your shower head, get yourself some more power. Check it out.